Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. So in this video, we are going to explain you about the combo box. Uh, combo box are very helpful to uh, assist you in typing. Instead of typing, means they allow you to reduce the typing, and they allow you to make the selection from the items listed, and that's it. So the advantage is that you don't have to type, and the the typing mistakes are eliminated. The chance of error is curtailed, right? So how to add the combo box? First of all, let's see that we go to the form in which we want to add a combo box, okay? And then we make room of it so that, for example, if we want to shift these things, so we can do like this, okay? You mean make the selection. So sometimes you would need to make a room and adjust it, okay? So adding combo box is through the toolbox, and in the toolbox you have this combo box tool, okay? When you click here, this plus mark comes, and then you draw it like this. Okay? This is just an example. The combo box is ready, right? So you have to then check what is the name here, okay? The name of it is combo box 1, that's fine. And wherever we want to, so you can change it also for the name if you require to. So we are just focusing that the use of the combo box, okay? So this is just an illustration that how to add a combo box in your form, and then how to get the user's name listed in it, so that you just select it, and then that selection will come in here, and all you need to do is enter the password, okay? Since the number of the users are determined in this sheet, so the name will be listed. Only the names which you have been created, username, they will automatically come. The other will not become, okay? So this is also the advantage, okay? That you don't have to worry about any other name, because all the available names will be listed in here. Okay, so you have done the first step, that is addition of the combo box, right? You can place it appropriately wherever you want. Okay, you can place it here or there or wherever. It does not matter. Now, to add this into the form means to make it operative, functional, right? You got to go to the code, right? So let's move this away, and we go to the code of this graph. Okay, so this is normally blank. Okay, we can this is normally a even this is also not here. Okay, right. This comes like as if when you click, the original position is this. When you click and go to the view code, it normally gets you the click event, the form click event, right? So you don't want form click event. You want the user form initialized, so that whenever the form is initialized, And you can remove this click even because it is unnecessary. Now, in here, you are going to write this code, right, which adds the item into the combo box one, right? And it is adding it from the admin sheet, starting from the row 5. You see, the row 5 is the first name, row 6 is the second name, row 7 is the third name, and then it will exit and it will stop adding any items, right? So let's get back to the code here, here. Okay. So we go to the code. This time it will see. Okay. So first of all is the dim statement, which makes an explicit declaring of the variable which we want to use, that is RW. You can name any name, and you can, but whatever the name you give, then you put a value it. This is called initializing the variable. The starting value is 5. Why 5? Because the first username is on row 5, right? And it is in the E column, right? It is in the E column, right? So, in the E column, admin sheet in the range E column, and whatever is the value of RW, initially it is 5. If it is as soon it becomes blank, then stop it. Otherwise, it's keep on adding. It's going to keep on adding the user names into the combo box. That's it. So let's try it. Right? We we click in here and we run it. Right. So it has entered all the names into it. Okay. From row 5, row 6, row 7, all the names are here. So far so good. Okay. If you now we want that whatever is selected here, we don't have to type in here. It has to come automatically. So how to do this? It's very simple. We have already done it in this case, which is also coming. Okay, it is binded with a cell, as this column was binded with this cell, right? It was binded with this cell, also 11. Now here we can see that it is binded with admin. The control source is admin, sign of exclamation, and B5, right? B5, right? Yeah, this is B5. So whatever is written in here, it comes in here, right? So, and whatever we make the change in here, it will come appear here, right? So we do the same thing with this combo box. In the combo box, we are going to change this source control. Yeah, control source. Yeah. Here we will write admin, the name of the sheet, and then put a sign of exclamation and B5. Okay. Right. So whatever we select, it will jump into here, and whatever comes in here, it will automatically come in here. All you need to do is pressing enter the password. If the password is correctly entered, you will be authenticated and you will be allowed to access with all the roles which are mentioned in here. Okay, so let's run it. Right. So now you select, for example, Gulzar. As soon as you click in here, the Gulzar automatically jumps in here. If we select Riyaz, okay, Riyaz, right? Right. So let's type Riyaz password, that RIAZ 123. Okay, you log in. So, he is HR person. He has access to the employee code only. And this is the sheet which is only the links sheet. Okay, because this I have kept it because um, uh, to avoid that the system hides all the sheets. So there has to be an additional sheet. So I have used these sheets so that my users can click on the video where they are interested, and the video's popularity is shown here. That the highest popular value video is on top, and and the recent are being added in here. Okay, this is a recent video yet to be viewed. So these were in today. As soon as they get into this bunch, they will become green. Anyway, so this is the introduction of Combobox. We have shown you that in the Combobox, you have to bind it with the column. Yeah, the Combobox control source is mentioned, and then in the form, when you click and go to the view code, yeah, so it normally opens with some other, so you remove it and then use the initialize object. As soon as you click initialize, okay, so this part will be automatically done. All you need to do is write this code. This is simply a do-while loop in which it starts from the row number 5 of the admin, starting from the first user, and keeps add items, adding into the set. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for joining.